This significantly also improved the water absorption from 25% to 75% depending on the mist, and then it also makes surface stronger. However, other engineers find that are there any challenges for this solution or using this PPS? Of course, PPS has its challenge. PPS can be clogged during overtime and that it needs regular maintenance. Currently, there are no universal standards of medium in this case. Another way, it might also be hard to source this material depending on the regions. They are the key elements during the design consideration of the PPS. The environmental impact, surface dust, rainfall, and traffic volumes are the key elements for the design consideration where we use this PPS. The one important part of the design consideration is choosing the accurate mixture ratio of materials. From our study, we found that the 25% of C-slab aggregate recycled concrete aggregate is a good mixture ratio. It also improved the water absorption rate, as I said, from 25% to 100%, and that makes the circuit stronger. There are the different types of concrete pavement, such as like porous asphalt and porous concrete, and then others like modular interlocking concrete paving or basic paving system, depending on how the area is used. If you are designing to use the pavement for heavy traffic load, as the driveways or some of the small vehicles, you use this materials, and you will use another grid system for some of the parking lots and the green space. Overall, we analyze this pavement is a powerful tool for make economically friendly and make better the management for the stormwater management, and because it improves the water absorption rate by naturally. I will pass the next slide to my teammate, Mr. Musa, for present.
So, hello everyone. I will be talking about how our solution, permeable pavement, can help with the economy and workers.